What's up, guys? So I wanted to come on here and make just a quick short. So you know how they made 3 new versions of the Abyssal Power Force lineup, the Helix Turbo, Rewind, and they've made some updates like the cleaning paths, the dust and brush color, the squeegee on the bottom, the color scheme, um, the dust spins, and so on. But the two notable changes that they made is the turbo brush tools that look the same, but they sound way different. And the Whine nozzles, which sound way different. Slash motor. So we're going to start off with the Rewind, with the Helix Turbo, and yeah. And that'll be the end. Alright. Alright. And now we're going to do the Helix Turbo. Alright, and now here's Helix Turbo. Alright, that's that one. Alright. I don't know why it leaned when I did that, but here's the actual the way they would wind down will sound like. Alright, this is the way it will sound. Yeah, that's the way it would sound. But yeah, I hope you guys like this video. Subscribe, hit the notification bell, and if I have the time, I could probably make the stair cleaning video later. But let's see. Alright, guys, see you guys later. Bye.